So today we gonna take that shit on thick. Oh yes we is hunting. Hi Sparkles, it's Jordan Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been asking me for a makeup routine, so I've responded. And in today's video, if you would like to know how I did my makeup, base, and brows, then stay tuned. But if you're brand new to my channel, make sure to give this video a great big thumbs up and smash that juicy red subscribe button. You can hit the bell notification if you'd like to be notified every single time that I make a video, and let's hop right into this. So I'm just going to quickly prime my face with this Nivea for Men hydrating lotion. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. I wish, but I have never got a sponsor because I am a sister-starving artist. I used to work at Starbucks before I started doing YouTube full-time, and I keep my makeup brushes and my makeup in these little coffee containers. Aren't they super cute? And then I have this makeup bag that I got at the dollar store. This is literally from Dollarama. It says Dazzle. How Shane Dawson. So I'm just going to quickly do my base. I'm going to be mixing the Maybelline Matte Poreless in the shade Toffee Caramel with the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin in the shade I Am Pale AF and don't have any color at all whatsoever. And I don't know what shade that is, so we're going to mix these two together with my fake ass beauty blender and let's bounce. I'm prepared like Martha Stewart. Mama would be so proud. So today we gonna take that shit on thick. Oh yes we is hunting. Aw, look at me trying to be a beauty guru. Mama would be so proud. Just kidding, Mama would not give a fuck. Don't forget the ears. Now for concealer, I'm going in with the Cover FX Cream Concealer in the shade Light. This is a super thick, super full coverage concealer. It will cover tattoos, or if you're like me and you have giant dark bags under your eyes because you never sleep because you're always filming or editing YouTube videos instead of sleeping, then this might be the concealer for you. To set my face today, I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Finishing Powder. You can apply this with a brush, of course, but I like to go in with a damp beauty blender and press it into the skin. This isn't a super chalky powder, so a little bit will go a long way. I personally don't like to contour my face a lot because I do have a thin face and my cheekbones are quite high and defined already, but I'm just going to bronze up my face using this NYX matte bronzer and this broken ass e.l.f. brush. I kind of like to apply my bronzer the way that you would apply a contour, just because I don't contour and I don't need to add a ton of warmth back to my face. And this is a very warm bronzer. So my brow routine is really quick. I just go in, brush my brows up because they're already pretty big and bushy already. And then because they're almost black, I'm going to go into the Rock Nudes palette. And then I'm just going to go into this kind of like charcoal gray color. Then I'm just going to go in and do the tail. And that's literally all the color that I add to my brows. And then I like to go in with a toothbrush and a little bit of Gotta Be Glued hairspray. And just brush those babies in place. And voila! Now I'm just gonna do the other one. Now for blush, I'm just going to go in with Chocolate Covered Strawberry from this Too Faced palette. And apply that to the center of my cheeks. So now that my base is all done and my brows are slayed, I'm going to set everything in place using this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. So that is it for my base and brows, and then sometimes I would add in an optional highlight, which I would do right now after the setting spray. But for the sake of today's video, that is going to be it for my base and brows. If you like this video or you found it useful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with anybody that you think could find it useful, and as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys!